How to merge multiple data frames. I have different data frames and need to merge them together based on the date column. If I only had 2 data frames, I could use df1.merge df2 1 equals date. To do it with 3 data frames, I use df1.merge df2.merge df3 1 equals date 1 equals date. However, it becomes really complex and unreadable to do it with multiple data frames. All data frames have one column in common date, but they don't have the same number of rows nor columns, and I only need those rows in which each date is common to every data frame. So, I'm trying to write a recursion function that returns a data frame with all data, but it didn't work. How should I merge multiple data frames then? I tried different ways and got errors like out of range, here a 0/1/2/3 and cannot merge data frame with instance of type. This is the script I wrote. An example. df_1. df_2. df_3. Expected merge result.
Short answer. Long answer. Below is the most clean, comprehensible way of merging multiple data frame if complex queries aren't involved. Just simply merge with date as the index and merge using outer method to get all the data. Now, basically load all the files you have as data frame into a list. And then merge the files using merge or reduce function. Note, you can add as many data frames inside the above list. This is the good part about this method. No complex queries involved. To keep the values that belong to the same date, you need to merge it on the date. Now, the output will the values from the same date on the same lines. You can fill the non-existing data from different frames for different columns using fillner, dot. Then write the merged data to the CSV file if desired. This should give you date value 1, value 2, value 3, dot 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 dot.
Looks like the data has the same columns, so you can
Functools.reduce and pd_concat are good solutions, but in terms of execution time, pd_concat is the best.
There are 2 solutions for this, but it return all columns separately.
Another way to combine functools.reduce from documentation. For example, reduce lambda x, yx plus y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, calculates 1 plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. The left argument, x, is the accumulated value and the right argument, y, is the update value from the iterable. So,
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.